Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Uruguay. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright, link and coupon will be in the description. And open description and click on link via Fly and open this web page and click on this and write Uruguay. Click on this and open new page, and this number one service in eSIM service. Alright, and settings: high speed 4G 5G data, no downloads or registration, keep your WhatsApp number, instant activation under 5 minutes. 5, this is very good. Alright, choose data type: unlimited data or fixed data, 1, 3, 3 and 5 or 10 gigabytes, 30 days, 30 days, 2 weeks and 7 days. Alright, and click on unlimited data. This is very good, and choose a speed plan, light or plus. I'm select plus. How many days do you need? I need 30 days, and plus speed unlimited data. This is very good. $293.95, and buy 2 eSIM discount this, buy 4 SIM discount this, and buy 6 eSIM discount 25%. Oh, very good. And select amount eSIM and 1 eSIM and click on add to cart or buy it now. Click on buy it now. Open new page and write discount code ROM tips, and write ROM tips and click on apply. Order discount code ROM tips $29.40. This is very good. Alright, and click on Google Pay and buy Google Pay, or contact, write mail and write card number, date, security code, name of card, billing address. Select your country and write first name, last name, address and postal code, city and phone, your phone, and click on buy now. Open new Windows and buy a SIM. It's perfect. And send your email QR code eSIM and scan this QR code and open settings your phone and install new eSIM and start a new eSIM this phone. Is work eSIM your phone, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me. Bye bye.